How to get Whataburger coupon code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get Whataburger coupon code. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step is open up a web browser and search for a website called Worth ePenny. Search for Worth ePenny and you'll find the website. You can directly head over to worthepenny.com as well. Then on here you can search for products and brands. We'll simply search for Whataburger and hit enter. After you hit enter, you'll get the list of different coupon codes available for Whataburger. So simply choose one whichever you want. I'll just choose this one. And after you tap on it, you'll get the code right here. So simply copy this and you can use it for the discount. And that's how simple it is, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.